How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can recover deleted messages on Messenger if you have accidentally deleted the Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Facebook allows users to download their data which include deleted messages, and here is how you can download the data so that you can access your deleted messages. So for that, you have to open up your Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in into your account. So from your home page, navigate to top right and tap on your profile icon with the three line. Here again tap on settings icon. Now once you land on your settings, in order to download your information, you have to tap on the first section that says Account Center or Meta Account Center. And here you scroll down and then tap on your informations and permissions. Now there you will find an option as download your information. You have to tap on it. And again tap on download or transfer information. Select your Facebook account, tap on next. Now since we only want to recover our deleted messages, tap on specific type of information. Scroll down and here you want to select the messages, so tap on it. Then tap on next. Here tap on download to device. Select your date range from when you want to recover your message. Once done, tap on save. Scroll down and tap on create files. And once the file is ready, you will receive a notification to download it. You can later extract the file and check the messages folder for the conversation. So that's the way to recover your deleted messages. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.